My name is David Stennett. I'm from Columbia, Tennessee. All my family and friends here in Columbia say that I sound like Elvis. Well, I'm here to tell you I'm not him, so for those out there who think he's still alive, don't be trying to get big-headed. I just want to sing a song. Hope you like it. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stray? Would it be a sin? For if I can help falling in love with you, like a river flood surely through the sea, darling, so we go. Some things you know are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flood truly to the sea, darling, so we go. Some things you know are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for if I can help falling in love with you, for if I can help falling in love with you. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching my video.